Hey everybody, this is Rick MacDermid with Senior Solutions Group. Today I was making a routine call to one of my clients just to check in, see how they're doing, and they ended up telling me their story, and I want you to hear it. With all the bad news with the coronavirus and all the other issues we're seeing around the world today, it's nice to get some great news. So take a listen. So yeah, every once in a while, I just come across a story that warms my heart and to no end, and just so wonderful to be able to connect with Ed and Robin again. I'd like you to tell us your story, guys.
Okay, I've been going through this probably 4.5 to 5 years now. Found out that I had a congestive heart failure, and of course we were just freaked out about how we were going to pay for this and everything else. And then we got a card in the mail from you, I guess it was. And anyway, thank God, because it sure made the trip a lot easier for especially Robin, who takes care of the bills. But so anyway, after I found out that actually how bad my heart really was, the doctor told me that I would probably have to have a heart transplant down the road soon. Well, that, as you can imagine, that freaked us out. That really sounds scary. But anyway, we went through everything, and Robin signed up with you, got us on Mutual of Omaha, along with my Social Security, and I don't think she's had to pay a bill since we signed up with you. So it's all been taken care of, which is a real load off Robin's mind, especially. But anyway, so November 9th of last year, I had a dual transplant. I had a heart transplant on the 9th, and then they came back on the next following morning and gave me a kidney transplant. So I went through a lot, and right now I'm feeling pretty good. Let me have Robin explain what her trip was like with all the bills, and she took care of all my medication and refills and on and on and on. But it's quite a story.
Yeah, what's your story, Robin?
My story is when Ed first got sick, which is traumatic enough. That's enough. I'm not even financial. You're just talking the medical and physical aspect of what's going on. If you don't get a transplant, you are going to die. That's a pretty big one. Now you have all of these bills just coming in and swarming you. And I received that little postcard from you and went in, and you were a godsend again. You took care of the medical portion so I could concentrate on him. So we turn around, and Ed's on these bills. His hospital stay was 41 days, $11 million. I wish I could hold that up for you. $11 million. Just a portion of that would have put us on the street. So that was great. But during this whole time, for a year and a half, Ed was on a medication called Milrinone, which helps the blood pump and the left heart pump. That was $1,000 a day for a year and a half. No questions, no bills. If we need something, they would deliver it to the front door. All because we had this insurance coverage we've heard all the nightmares about insurance coverage and Medicare, and it doesn't cover anything. We don't have a problem. We have a wonderful, beautiful, healthy life. And thank you.
Oh, you bet. What's your advice to others?
Listen to what you suggest. And you may be saving $15, $20 a month on a fixed income. But I don't have a $11 million bill. I would listen to my advice of my advisor.
Right.
I mean, you're not saving in the long run, even when you're getting nickel and dime for a prescription or a copay. We are just so happy.
Two things I'd like to mention, Rick, was you need to listen and find the right medical team. And that's first thing I did was I have got an outstanding medical team in Spokane, Washington at the Heart Institute uh, at Sacred Heart Providence. And then, of course, I'm going to throw your hat into the ring. Without you, it would have been catastrophe for us, I'm sure. You know, the ultimate outcome may have been the same as them saving my life and giving me a new heart, but from the financial aspect of it, you were phenomenal.
We're going to sleep and enjoy your day on the lake. Just enjoy that dog is yours and just enjoy life. And in the midst of this pandemic, we're all going to get through it, and we got our better days are still yet to come. Thanks a bunch.
Thank you.
Right.
Thanks, Ed.
Thanks for listening to Ed and Robin's story. What a great story, isn't it? We have an opportunity to help people. I love my job, and if any of this spoke to your heart, feel free to contact us at Senior Solutions Group, seniorsolutions.net, 509-494-4288. Don't wait till it's too late. If you have any questions, give us a call.